If you're experiencing issues with Roblox graphics settings, follow these simple steps to quickly resolve them. This guide will help you adjust your settings for an optimal gaming experience. Step 1. Open Roblox. Launch the Roblox application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Once in the game, locate the menu button, usually represented by 3 dots or gear icon. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Adjust graphics quality. In the settings menu, find the graphics quality slider. Move the slider left to decrease graphics quality for better performance or right to increase it for enhanced visuals. Step 4. Change resolution. Look for the resolution settings within the graphics options. Choose a low resolution if you're experiencing lag or a higher one for better clarity, depending on your device's capabilities. Step 5. Restart the game. After making your adjustments, exit the settings menu and restart the game to apply the changes. This ensures that all new settings take effect properly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues with your Roblox graphics settings quickly. Enjoy your gaming experience.